Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to calculate the sum, average and count in Excel sheet. So in order to calculate the sum, average and count, we need to learn something, we need to denote something. So in order to learn here we can see there is some product and their respective cost is given here, and in order to calculate the sum we have to allocate a cell. Suppose we need to calculate the sum here in the cell C20 num cell. So first we need to put equal sign, then write sum. This is sum function basically, and then select those cells, right? So we can click here and drag it down to the end and tab enter. Here we can see the sum of the whole product's cost, and in order to calculate the average we need to put equal sign, then write average, then select the cells where is the cost is given and click enter. Here is the average of the total cost, and in order to calculate the whole total num of the product, we need to put equal sign and count and select this cost. So here is total 40 product is given here and 40 data is given here. So we can do it in shortcut. So in order to do a shortcut we need to select the cost cell, and if we look down here we can see the average num, average value and the count, and also a sum. So it is the shortcut process, but if you go through a manual process you can. So hope you understand. Goodbye.